hello. What a lovely view we've got today. How you doing? We can have some din-dins in the caravan. Yeah. So today I finally decided on the colour palette for my caravan. I wanted to go for white and paint it white throughout. But I was looking for a paint that already had a primer in it, and I went to the hardware store today, like the paint shop basically, and the paint that I wanted, they only had one tin of. So I had to change my colour palette because I'm trying to do it on a budget, and there was some really good paint that was reduced, and I was going to go for a rose and thought, no, maybe that's a bit too pinky. So I'll show you what I've got instead. It's like a taupe colour, which actually goes lovely with the tables. I've painted the tables in green, and I've spray painted some of the bits and bobs in the caravan silver. So I'll just go and give you a quick update of what I've done. I'm totally exhausted. My toddler's been ill for weeks now, and she's on antibiotics again, so sleepless nights. This really is hard graft and getting as much done as I can when she naps. I feel like I need to be napping with her, but I just really want to get it done whilst it's sunny outside. I want to make the most of this good weather because soon I'm going to have to pack the caravan up for winter. Sorry about the background noise, we're having some work done in the garden. So I've painted this rail in like a silver, but I'm really not happy with it. It just seems streaky to me and I can't get around that. But I did spray paint this rail, which I'm over the moon with. So I wish I had spray painted it, but I can't take it off because it's got wires over the top of it. Whilst my toddler's sleeping, my plans are take this table off, paint it green to match the other side, and see these white, well, they're cream railings. I'm going to unscore them and spray paint them silver. So see if we can get that done within an hour or so. One coat done. This is 2 coats. It's just such a beautiful colour. This is the big table. I'm just going to video this before I unscrew it because I've noticed these rails kind of got upside down and this one goes that way. Yeah, I don't know why that is. I'm guessing that's right though, so I should keep it like that. Table works like that, so I'm just going to keep it like that. So we'll do before and then after. And obviously I'm going to give these rails a good clean, and when they've come off the wall needs a really good clean. Yuck. So when I replaced this, I also replaced it with nice shiny screws, because look, this is what they come out as. They're kind of really rusty and horrible. There's no point in doing half a job. So I've taken all these out and I'm going to replace the screws. And I've just found this toolbox in and an extra compartment, a storage compartment. So yeah, look, there's loads of bits and bobs in here. I'm gonna have a little root through that. I'm really happy. What a day. So, my toddler had the most unusual extended sleep this morning until about 1:30, from about 10:30 until about 1:30. So it gave me a chance to get so much done. But then when she woke up, it was just chaos. So I got a lot done today, so I'm going to show you what I got done. Oh, so I've actually taken all the cushions out of the van and stored them in the shed. If you look at the back there, you can see I've done all the tables now. There's actually a smaller table behind there, and this is like a sideboard. This is the paint I used. It's by Heritage. It's the first time I've used the paint like this, and this small pot was £4 a pot. I got through 2.5 pots, which I feel like is quite a lot. Well, no, not really, to paint like my really important things, but it's just such a beautiful colour. I mean, look at it. How nice is that going to go with the silver? So I'll take you in the van now and I'll show you what else I've done. Right, as you can see, looks totally different in here now, doesn't it? It looks like it's been gutted almost, but so what I've done is taken the table holder and the bed rails off and spray painted them silver, like a metallic silver, which I just love. I love that. And then what else did I do today? Oh, I took these rails off, gave them a really good scrub, and replaced all the screws so that they were a pretty silver colour and they look nice and clean. I also replaced that screw because it was really dirty. I've started painting these silver. They definitely need another coat tomorrow. And I've done the other side as well. But yeah, I'm pleased. I think it's going to look nice. I'm worried that at the moment it looks a bit cold, but I think once I get all my finishing in and the green and the wall colour, I think it's going to look quite nice. I'm not keeping the floor like this, so I'm changing that. So this will all have a second coat tomorrow. But I've like really done it properly and put all the masking tape down and stuff. And then the third thing we tried to do today was take the kitchen area out because I really want to paint all this brown. But the screws were proving quite difficult to get off. They're old, they're stuck. So I'm going to ask my husband to help me with that tomorrow. Just need to wait until he's free. So yeah, good day. Messy day, but good day. Got lots done. Hey, lids! Love that this window opens like that. We're having all our bushes. Morning, so somebody's painting and playing out there whilst I'm in here. I've ripped up the carpet and look at the colour underneath. It's like a lino. And I've put a second coat today over my granite silver. Kind of matches my toes. And I'm much happier now with the second coat. I think it looks lovely, especially in the sunlight. This bit's still got to dry. Just gonna do this side. So glad the carpet's gone though. Looking very bare in here. Where's my little helper in the background there? We're both in our matching pink today. Okay guys, so I'm super happy with this, which is finished now. Get that up. Love the colour. Love how it shimmers in the sunlight. It just looks really fresh. But I'm aware that needs toning down, so I've used a green. And then rather than going for a plain white on the walls, which you can see I've started doing, I'm using a warm taupe. Taupe? Is that how you say it? And I think it's nice. I think it like complements this green colour and then the silver. I think the colour palette's on point. And maybe to warm it up, I mean the flooring is going to be wooden, again something quite warm. And yeah, I think like some oranges or something. I don't know yet. This blue's going, this blue blind. But yeah, just a little progress update. Nice colour.
You're going to paint all this brown as well?
No. Hello everyone, I nearly forgot to do an update on the caravan today. So I've started finishing the ceiling. I've only got one more little patch to do, and then behind me I've taped everything up ready to do this wall. My toddler's at nursery today. Which means I will be able to get a little bit more done. My husband has said I've become obsessed with this caravan, and I totally agree that I have. I've been giving her a lot of love and some good old-fashioned nurturing, because she's going to be our holiday home for next year. We're going to spend so much time in this, travelling the UK. Oh yeah, and I've joined a Facebook group especially for Esterel caravan owners. So I'm feeling the love today, feeling the love, feeling positive, and just giving this girl a good old makeover.